Snake. Snake.
Tight little one.
Thank you. You take such good care.
That's what grandmas do.
I don't know what we do without it.
Well, I made sure you'll have help even after I'm gone.
After you go. Mom, you okay?
Everything is fine. Just so you know, I got a life insurance policy, so when the time
Yeah.
comes,
Yeah.
I won't leave you a financial
Yeah.
mess. Let's face it, there will be a funeral and maybe medical bills. It's not an inheritance or anything, but it will help some of my expenses.
I don't want to think about that.
I already took care of it. And with this policy, I can earn discounts, get rewards, and even get tips on how to live healthy.
Yeah.
That could help me be
Snake.
around even longer for that little
Yeah.
guy.
Final expense life insurance with guaranteed acceptance from John Hancock can help people age 60
Come here.
sleep
Come here.
easier. It helps
Come here.
your family take care of
Come here.
costs, medical bills, and other debts. The average funeral alone is between $8,000 and $9,000. Without insurance, could your
I just want to show you all
final expense
how
life
Mocha,
can help?
I call him Snake,
Guaranteed with no medical
how he can balance himself
start around $13 a month and policies
with these little treats that my mom have for her.
so you can select the best fit for your needs and budget.
Snake, you want smoke?
Another guarantee.
Huh?
Payments
Look.
and coverage never goes down for as long as you live. It also comes with confidence. For more than 150 years, John Hancock has helped meet the needs of more than 18 million customers.
Look how he balancing himself.
Earn discounts, get rewards, and
Look at
receive
that.
healthy living tips through the John
Look at that.
Hancock Vitality Program.
Come on.
Best of
Come on.
all, it's easy.
Snake,
Apply
come on.
by phone or online.
Call 1-800-813-1088 or go online to learn more about final expense life insurance.
I have never seen a dog balance himself like that, mixed with Pomeranian and Chihuahua. Beautiful. You want some more? Snake.
Are these stools new? Yeah, I just got them. What about the vanity? Were you upstairs? No. Who's Tina? Your new
Come here.
friend? Your shop?
Come here. No, get down off me.
Oh,
Get down.
she doesn't have a new BFF. She's got Wayfair. Tina.
Snake, come on. Get up here. Look. Look. Come here, Snake. Come here. He done got tired now. Come on. Come on.
Their race because of their first accident. Switch and you could save $782 on home and auto insurance.
This little guy here. Oh my goodness.
For a free quote today. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
No bite. No bite. No bite. Snake. No bite. See, he ain't gonna get it. I built some teeth, so I always tell him no bite.
20 grams of protein along with 26
Snake.
essential vitamins and minerals. Boost high protein. Be up for life. Closed captioning brought to you by Mesobook.com.
Come on. Get up there, boy. Come on. Look. Look. He came down for you.
Call for the free book and receive so much more. Call 1-800-831-3700.
I just want to show you all this. Beautiful dog. Beautiful.